down na may ordinaryo. How may I help you?
Hi, good morning. I would like to order breakfast.
Certainly. Before anything else, ma'am or sir, may I know who's in the other line and your room number, please?
I'm Daxin Jade from room 201.
Thank you, sir. For the selection of our breakfast, we have American, Continental, and Filipino breakfast. Which one would you prefer, sir?
I want to order American breakfast, please.
All right, sir. For your American breakfast, we have the following. Ham with sunny side up egg and bacon with sunny side up egg. Which one would you prefer?
Can I have the bacon with sunny side up egg, please?
Which one would you prefer to have in your pancake, sir? Maple or chocolate syrup?
Actually, I don't like syrup in my pancake. I just want it plain.
And for your fresh fruit, we have orange, mango, and apple. What would you prefer?
Actually, I'm not in the mood to have fruits in my breakfast.
How about for your juice, we have orange, pineapple juice, iced tea with lemon. What would you prefer?
Can I have the iced tea with lemon?
Alright, sir. Would you like to have a brewed coffee?
No, thank you.
Okay, sir. You have already a complete set of American breakfast. Is there anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
May I repeat your order, sir? You have ordered a plate of pancake, no syrup, and one iced tea with lemon.
Yes, that's all correct.
May I ask how many people your order is for?
Good for one person, please.
I'll take note. How would you like to settle your bill? Cash, credit card, or charge through your room?
I settle it with cash, please.
Your bill is 550 pesos. May I know how much your cash for me to bring on your change?
I have 1,000 peso bill.
Alright, sir. Your order will be served at room 201 after 30 minutes. Please feel free to call the room service if you have any additional order. Thank you for calling and have a nice day.
Room service. Mabuhay, good morning. This is Wilner. Here's your room service order. May I come in?
Yes, you may.
Excuse me, sir. Where would you like me to set up your food?
Just leave it on a tray, please.
Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I present to you your order? So you ordered one set of an American breakfast. Consists of bacon with sunny side up, 2 pancakes, and cold iced tea with lemon. If you're ready to eat, sir, you want me to assist you with your food?
No, thank you.
Okay, sir.
Sir, may I present your bill now?
Yes, please.
Sir, here is your bill. I received 1,000 pesos and here is your change. Kindly sign the receipt.
something for you?
Thank you very much for your thoughtfulness, but we don't accept any tips. If you need any assistance, just dial 1 and please let us know what time would you like us to come back for the train. Thank you very much. Enjoy your meal and have a nice day.
Thank you.